Howdy everyone, it's Jenny from Crazy Crafts. I had someone ask me whether they'd seen these in my yard, how I made them, so I'm just going to give you a back to front how-to video. So it's actually a solar light, so that sharp bit actually turns over and plugs into the base of here, of the pole. And what I did was put the solar panel inside. Now I'm not sure if I can get this off. I should have tried that before I started the video, but maybe we can sneak peek in there. You can see inside the solar lights in there. This has got a funky pattern on it, so it's cool. So basically what I did is I drilled a hole in the bottom of the pumpkin, which was a basket, a bit like those ones up in the tree there. Not holding its colour terribly well, but good enough. And just put the solar light in there. So made sure it was turned on before I put it in there. I did hot glue around there to hold it in place so the pumpkin didn't drop down. But that's pretty much it. So I'll upload this as a short. Thanks for watching.